PEPE coin, the meme crypto you need to know. A joke coin with zero real-world utility hit a 5 billion market cap. Here's how. PEPE coin, inspired by the internet meme Pepe the Frog, launched in April 2023 and quickly became a crypto sensation. Unlike tokens with complex use cases or technology, PEPE embraces simplicity. It's purely about internet culture and community engagement. What makes PEPE stand out in the crowded meme coin space? No transaction taxes, permanently locked liquidity, and an immutable smart contract that can't be altered. PEPE doesn't pretend to solve world problems or offer revolutionary tech. It's straightforward, a token created for entertainment and social connection. The community drives everything, from viral memes to trading volume. While Doge and Shiba attempted to add utility, PEPE remains unapologetically useless by design. Looking ahead, token-gated groups, regular newsletters, and educational content, all community-focused. PEPE proves that in crypto, cultural relevance can sometimes outweigh utility. A 5 billion testament to the power of memes and shared internet experiences.